chicken roll recipe. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and we will make chicken roll, which recipe is very easy and delicious to eat. To make it, first we will prepare the dough, and we will add yeast and salt to the flour and mix it well and make a paste and keep it aside for a while. And now knead the dough and make small pieces of it. Now we will prepare chicken crunch. For this we need boneless chicken, which we have cut into small pieces, and we will add lemon and mix spices inside it and cover it well and deep fry it. Will turn into crunches. Now the crunches are ready. I have taken them out in a plate. And now to make this roll we will add mayonnaise sauce crunches. Inside it we will add onion and garum. Add cucumber, which one likes do it, and skip what you don't like.